Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to download product videos from Amazon. First, you have to add an extension to your browser. For that, you can go to Extensions options and click on Open Chrome Web Store. Search for Video Downloader Professional and add that extension to your browser. There can be other extensions as well, but make sure to use the exact same extension you can see in this video. Click on the Video Downloader Professional extension and add it to Chrome by clicking Add to Chrome. The extension has been successfully added to Chrome. Once the extension has been added, pin that extension so that you can use it easily. Open another tab and search google.com. Now search for the amazon.com website and click the first link to open its original site. Now, you can search for the products you want. There are millions of products listed here. You can search for the specific product you want. I have searched for gadgets and want to download the video of this bicycle. Once you find your required product, click on it to open its specifications. Here you can see every product has its videos included in its gallery. Choose the video you want to download, and click on the extension you just installed. You will find the download link here. Click on any of the sizes you want and it will start downloading the video. Your video is now downloaded and ready to use. If you enjoy this video and want to know more about new things, please like and subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and press the bell icon to get notified.